Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Nike SB Dunk High Kevin Bradley model. So let's get to it. So as the title suggests, we are unboxing the Kevin Bradley Nike SB Dunk High today, and I have that here. Before we start, just want to say, if you're new to this channel, we kind of do sneaker unboxings and things. And for all of the brand new subscribers, thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to us. It's a small niche channel at the moment, but we are growing on a daily basis. So thank you everybody, really, truly appreciate it. Thanks. Anyway, let's get back to it. So I've got Mr. the Trusty Global, and regular viewers will know who he is. He is the dude that we used to open these boxes. So we might as well go fast forward now. I'm back! And as usual, SJ on Sneaker Cam, I've managed to open this upside down, so let's go. Whoop. Getting good at that. Bosh. Well, luckily for us, it is the Dunk, because we've got a couple of boxes lurking. So Nike seem to be using the black and Tiffany teal box, whatever, for the quick strikes at the moment, which is a nice touch. So just to read out to you there on camera too, these are a Nike's SB Zoom Dunk High Pro QS quick strike for all those in the know, and they are a UK 11, and they are white university red, or en français, blanc université rouge blanc. And SJ on Sneaker Cam, they are AH9613116, but nobody cares about that. What people want to see is what we've got inside the box. So first of all, I can tell you that Nike are using the woodcut paper. Okay, so I got lots of white shoes recently. These are quite nice. These are quite nice. These are quite nice. Right, okay, so let's get the first one out. We're not gonna look too much. Let's get the second one out, and then let's make the box depart. Again, crash. Right, so let us look. So first things first, second pair of laces, the University Red. As we can see, standard flat-ish, you know, the standard SB laces that you get in Dunks. So nothing special about them. So let's put them to the side. So first things first, so what are we looking at? So we're looking at a Dunk High. And SJ, have you got that on Sneaker Cam? Giving me a nod behind the camera. We're trying a new gimbal today. And so Sneaker Cam might be intriguingly filmed today as we try and present the shoes to you in a different way. So as I said, what we've got, so we've got premium tumbled leather throughout the mid panels, on the side here. I think we all know what's under the toe box, but toe box is a slightly different thing. So it's made up of different leather, but it has a pinky sheen to it, which is a clue. It is a clue. I don't know if that's been picked up on Sneaker Cam at all. I'm zooming into the gimbal. You see the pinkiness there. So the pinkiness, I'll start that again. The I really can't speak today. The pinkiness is because the toe box, if I wear these or if I skate them, this will rub away. I'm kind of loath to do it, although I have just scratched the toe box. It's ever so slightly. You wouldn't know. These are still box fresh. Honestly, they're still box fresh. Anyway, so this will rub away to reveal redness, and that really is kind of the signature thing to this shoe, along with on the heel. I don't know if you're getting this camera too. On the heel, we've got a palm tree. Sneaker Cam, can you get that palm tree? Yep, it's nicely there on Sneaker Cam. So palm tree, and why is that there? Well, that is a nod to basically the beaches of LA to Venice, where Kevin Bradley generally skates. But yeah, so that's a little nod there. Let's get the paper out of this, because what I'm also seeing, this is a really unusual unboxing. What I'm also seeing is, I'm going to see if I can get the sole, the zoom sole. So what we've got, these are, okay, so put that there. So if we can see also the inner sole, so it's a standard zoom inner sole that you'd expect to see in most dunks from SB. But we've also got California, so it does know how to party apparently. But yeah, so the inner sole, palm trees lined up, could be somewhere down in Venice. It's actually a really nice inner sole. I'm going to look in the other shoe. No, it's the same one. We've got, as I was saying, got the inner sole, the nod to LA there. We've got the palm tree, the nod to LA. We've also, the other bits of detail of the shoe is, so it's meant to be university red as such on the sole, but I think it's more of a milky red than a solid red. These are nearly translucent, and that does seem to be a trend that Nike are going with at the moment, certainly on the highs of these more OG style shoes. If you think about the Jordans that have released recently, the Jordan 1s, which obviously bear a similar shape to these, they've also used translucentness. But if we also look, there's another little detail. I don't know, I'm gonna go to you, camera 2, so bear with me, camera 1. If you can see that, camera 2, the eyelet at the top there is also university red. Sneaker cam, we getting that? Yeah, we've got that. So I'm getting nods from the SJ behind the camera. Let's just take a spin around the shoe. What do we think? I think it's a good shoe. It's not a very practical shoe for the UK at the moment, but if I was stomping the streets of Venice, Santa Monica, in fact LA, anywhere in general, these would go down really well. I think if you were to team these up with some cargo pants, the simplicity of the colorway is definitely something that's going to make you rock. But anyway, let's sit those there. So to give you another little look, SJ's trying a slightly different mode on sneaker cam right now. We haven't tried this with this new gimbal, bear with us. And so we're just moving around. SJ's giving us a little look now on sneaker cam. Hopefully it's looking quite nice. But as always, if you like this kind of thing, why don't you give us a big thumbs up? Would really truly appreciate that. And if you've made it this far in the video, why don't you comment Kevin down below? Because that will give us the hint that you've actually made it this far in the video. And really thank you for watching this far. Without you guys subbing, liking, interacting with us on Instagram, Pint of Stuff, by the way, I would still do this, but it makes every day definitely worthwhile knowing you're out there watching this kind of stuff. So until next time, or indeed until Sunday, when we run Sneaker Streaming Sundays, or is it Sunday Streaming Sneakers, or is it Sneaker Sunday Streaming? I'm not 100% certain, but we are definitely streaming at 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, and that would be 8 p.m. in the UK. I couldn't tell you what time it was in Australia, so sorry Aussie viewers. And until next time, people, au revoir, goodbye, toodaloo.